ready for the festival. We like the festival, but what will you make festival?
I make the festival is fireworks. And you want to join me, guys?
Yes, but where do you make the festival?
In field, cause life is wide and near the city. After that, I with my family make the food in there.
This amazing place again. I with my family will bring food, drink, and of course some fireworks.
What do you want to follow me to like the fireworks, guys?
Yes, of course. We will follow you to live fireworks.
Okay, guys. See you next time.
Okay, bye.